Hello, in today's video lesson, I'll show you how to dance in CS2, updated. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. The Shakira's dance is the first dance in CS2. Easy to perform by pressing the S key on your keyboard, pressing A and D keys simultaneously, and spamming the A and D keys while pressing the S key. The second is perform of any dance by switching your knife, repeatedly inspecting it, and moving the camera around to make other players see you performing it. Vault Edge Michael Jackson peak in CS2, but now offers 2 more dance options. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.